This lighting is a little bit insane. Can you see? Okay, cool. I think this is good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing, guys? My name is Mara, if this is your first time on my channel. My hair is crazy. You know what? Having short hair is like, oh my gosh, my snake plant. I need to water this. I think I'm going through this phase of kind of grungy, more edgy. I'm not really sure. But if you like my t-shirt, give this video a thumbs up. I am doing a really fun video today. I have a background of once being a minimalist, and I had barely any furniture, and then I kind of got out of it just because I was like, this is insanity, just living in this extreme lifestyle. And then I let loose a little bit and I, you know, kind of evened it out. It was also very freeing to be able to get rid of so many things, and it really actually cleared so much of my not only physical space, but like mental space. I paired this shirt with these periwinkle earrings that I made recently. I love them so much. Periwinkle is such a beautiful color that I don't wear often. It's perfect, I think, for a statement piece. Let's get started because I have a lot of things that I want to get rid of. And I'll basically go through all of my clothing in my closet to see if I want to, 1, get rid of it and either sell it or donate it, 2, keep it in my closet, or 3, stow it away for next year if it's like out of season or whatever. Okay. I also rearranged my room. Who's that? Baby boy? Hello, Denver? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with you. I love you. Here are our dual door closets. It's really just one closet with 2 doors that Alec and I share. And I'll warn you now, it's not a very big closet, so this shouldn't take too long. So this is what my closet looks like right now, and it's pretty messy, I would say. I could just kneel on the ground while I'm doing this. So first thing in my closet is this beautiful dress. This is a Free People dress. It's so, so pretty. I guess you could consider it as a maxi dress, especially if you're 5'2" like me. And I can actually insert a picture of me wearing it. I think I'm going to get rid of it, but I might keep it. So here's the thing. I used to have so many dresses. I would just collect a bunch of like event wear and just dresses. After college, I got rid of a bunch of stuff. I was like, I don't need this many dresses. I really only wear them like once and then I get rid of it. So I purged all of my dresses, but then now whenever I go to a wedding or something, I have like nothing to wear. I'm gonna keep this for a little bit longer because I just got this a couple months ago, so I'm gonna keep this. Next I have this dress that I wore. It's also a Free People dress. I wore it during our engagement photos, and it's a little big on me, and that's partially why I never wore it again. This is a pretty easy decision just because it is big on me, and I like don't want to keep anything that doesn't fit me really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell this. So this dress I wore during our honeymoon to Bali, and it has a cool little triangle cutout in the middle. I love it. It's very beachy. I think I'm gonna keep this just because I know I'm gonna wear it again next summer. Definitely still my style. Midi dress, very flowy, love it. This is a romper. It looks much brighter on camera right now. Kind of like a rust red color, and it's a halter. Very, very cute on. I love halter tops, but with my haircut, I just don't know if I will see myself wearing this. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and sell this because I really like it. I don't wanna get rid of it just because I'm not gonna. I really only bought it for the honeymoon, to be honest though. So I wanna be honest with myself. I think I'm gonna go ahead and sell it. This wrap dress that I'm just like really in love with just because I wore it on my graduation. I also wore it to Alec's graduation. So it is a special dress. I really do just love everything about it. It's super elegant and super easy to put on and take off and whatever. Great for summer. Like it's a great cover up. And I almost don't want to get rid of it for sentimental reasons. I'm trying really hard not to be sentimental about things. It's really hard to be more minimalistic when you are sentimental. So, man, I've worn this so many times. gonna keep it because I can still see myself wearing it. Another dress that I wore for our engagement pictures, and I really love this cut as well, very similar to the other one that I showed you from Free People, but this one's from H&M. I just love it. It's such a good dress. It's slightly big on me, but I think it would be really good for the fall. So I think I'm gonna keep this because I'm gonna wear it for a little bit longer, and I really just love the way it looks. We've got this really, really cute cream colored linen jumper or jumpsuit, jumper. And so it's kind of like a midi jumpsuit, I guess you could say. I love this so much. I've had this for a while now, a couple years, and I got so much wear out of it. And I still think I can wear it just because like it's just such a good staple piece to have in your closet. I'm also trying to decide if it goes with my style now, because my style has evolved very much so, even since I started my channel. Maybe this will be one of those pieces that I put away and then take out next year, because I might just find like a new love for it. So I'm going to do that. So this dress I wore during our rehearsal dinner. This is also from Free People. As you can see, a lot of my dresses have the same look. Deep V, midi, kind of flowy. I love this color. Obviously, terracotta is one of my favorites. I actually wore it yesterday for a couple's photo shoot that I did with Alec, but I just like, I feel like it's slightly big on me again, and when things don't fit me right, I feel really guilty about having it in my closet because I feel like it could look so much better on somebody else. So I think I'm going to get rid of this one. I'm gonna probably sell this on Poshmark. Next, I have my two midi skirts. This one's like a satin material. It's a navy blue from Urban Outfitters and it has little mini daisies on them. And I really love this skirt. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot throughout the fall, so I'm gonna keep that. I have this Brandy Melville skirt that I got this summer that I also really love. It's like a mint color. It's very, very girly, but I think I can actually pull this off in the fall too. Maybe in the very early months of fall, like now, basically. I'm gonna keep this one too. I actually got a second vintage tee from Lo-Fi. This is a Harley Davidson. There's something about just having authentic, actual vintage tees and not just going to, I don't know, like Princess Polly or somewhere where they have fake vintage, where it just looks vintage and worn, but it's actually not. It's just manufactured that way, but these are actually vintage, so I just like love that about them. I think I'm gonna have this one for a while. I love this top. I think it's very, very feminine and girly, and you can wear it again like off the shoulder or on your shoulders. The quality isn't great. One shoulder kind of falls off and the other one just doesn't, so it makes me think they're uneven. Bro, my hair is just like, okay, first of all, my hair is like a week old, dirty. I really love this top. I feel like I haven't worn it enough to be able to say I have exhausted it, so I think I'm going to keep it and wear it a couple more times. Knitted tank top. It actually is very low cut. I am surprised that I had actually picked this out and kept it because it's a pale salmon pink color, and part of me doesn't really like to wear it because it's pink. So I think what I'm gonna do is sell that. This is my something navy denim jacket, kind of an oversized fit. I love it. I really don't have any question about it. I bought it in the summer so I could wear it for the winter and fall, so I'm gonna keep that. This tunic that I got from Bali, and it has two slits on the side. I love this thing. It's really pretty. I haven't worn it in a while, and it makes me think like I'm not gonna wear it for a while just because I honestly feel like I've worn it so much. And I hate that I'm just like disposing of clothes, but I am going to be selling it and giving it to someone who really likes it. And I actually got a lot of compliments on this when I posted it as an OOTD. You guys were asking, where did I get this? Because the shop had a website, but you weren't able to purchase from the US, so it was kind of unhelpful. I'm going to be selling that. These pant overalls from Madewell. I really like these. I haven't really figured out a good way to wear them yet. When I brought them home, I didn't really know what to wear them with besides just a normal like plain tank top. So I do want to figure out how to style these more, and I think I'm gonna keep these. Cream and black striped tee, which is very basic, very simple. I just bought this a couple weeks ago, I think. I'm gonna keep this one as well. Just an easy thing to throw on. It looks like a halter top, but it's not. It's just kind of like a racerback looking baby doll, and it's in this really pretty, what do you call this? Like, it's just like a muted orange. I'm not really sure. I wore it for our honeymoon and that was about it. I never wore it again. I think I'm gonna go ahead and sell that. This is how I would declutter my closet on the reg. You have 3 piles basically. Keep, get rid of, or maybe. So the maybe pile, whether it's because of the season or you don't absolutely love it, put your maybe pile on top of your closet where you don't see it, and then 3 months later, if you haven't thought about those pieces at all, then you could get rid of them because obviously they weren't important enough for you to remember, like, oh, I can wear this, and it's just like sitting in your closet. So hopefully that made sense. I feel like that was kind of confusing, but here are some overall shorts that I also got from Madewell that I wore quite a bit in the summer. I don't know if this is my style anymore. This is why I'm like trying to, but I've bought overall shorts literally like 3 times in my life. They look exactly the same and I would get rid of them every time, and then I have a feeling next summer I'm going to buy them again. So I feel like I want to keep these for next summer. I'm probably not going to wear them in the fall. Maybe I will actually. Maybe I will. I'll figure out how to wear this. I'm gonna keep this. Linen top, it's a pretty terracotta color. And I'm gonna keep this. Again, it's very simple. It used to be a dress, I actually cut it, and now it's kind of like a raw edge type of detail. Very simple, very cute. I had a lot of you ask me where I got this as well, but unfortunately I thrifted it, so I couldn't exactly give you where I got it. I also got from Mau Mau in Bali, and I wore this also quite a bit. Here's the thing with this one. You'd think, like, of course, that's an obvious keep because it's so cute. And it looked really cute. I'm gonna post a picture here where I'm wearing it. The only problem is now when I wear it, I look kind of like a boy. And I think it's because of the color and my short hair. I don't know, and it's just hard to explain. It's something that I just see, and I don't think anyone else really sees it, but I do. So I think I'm going to actually sell this. It's a beautiful shirt. This also has like that raw edge detail. I really want to keep it, but I haven't worn it in a really long time, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it. Here I have this top that I actually sell in my boutique, and it is a 100% cotton dolman top, and it's just very flowy, again, like my other ones. Something easy to throw on when I don't really know what I want to wear, and it's very just like modest and simple. A top from Urban Outfitters. I love white tops. They're like my favorite thing to buy. They're just so easy to throw on and style with pretty much any accessories and any pants. It's like a surplice style top with some puffy sleeves. I really love this top. I don't wear it often because it's more of like a dressy top, but I would wear it with either one of my satin skirts or even just a pair of high-waisted jeans or shorts. This is very, very cute. I'm gonna keep this. So lastly, right now I have my Madewell utility jacket that I love, that I think is totally a closet staple, and everyone should have one of these. It's just like the perfect color to match with any earthy tones, any neutrals. You can throw it on and just, I don't know, complete your look. Love it. I feel like there's a certain type of confidence that you need to have when you are either changing up your style, or if you know, once weren't very fashionable, but you do want to get into like more style and be more expressive with the way that you dress. And I think it can be really hard for some people to step out of their comfort zone. So a word of encouragement is to just go out and do it. It can be interesting to like see someone wearing something completely different that you're not used to them seeing, but just starting off with a few pieces. Like for me, my general style is very feminine, very neutral, and simple, I guess. But I also want to explore more into my grungy, edgy side, more bold, and see how that turns out for this fall. Or I could just look like a phony, and we'll see. But my point here is just to say, like, instead of me stepping out in a red vintage shirt, I'm still wearing a neutral, which is this, I don't know, this was more of like a charcoal with more of a neutral, and I'm still wearing these shorts that I would have worn. It's just like a normal black tank top, and then I'm wearing my Fila's. So it's a little different, but it's definitely something that I feel like I don't feel intimidated to wear and be like, well, are people looking at me weird, you know? And I feel like that's a pretty normal reaction. Start with a few different accessories, or maybe one piece that you want to help you transition into a new style or a new aesthetic that you're going for. If you want to see more videos that have to do with style and my closet, wardrobe, that kind of stuff, let me know in the comments down below, and I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for watching, guys. I actually am deciding between whether I want to start a Poshmark account or just add them to my current website. It's shopscattered.com, and that's where I sell my handmade earrings. I do want to add my clothes to either Poshmark or to my website, and we'll see how that goes. I don't really know. I don't know if that's like too much stuff in one website, but yeah, okay. Anyway, peace.